good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Luke. Today we are going to be going over the Kith 2019 Fall Lookbook. Ronnie Feig and the guys over at Kith have released their latest collection. We're going to take a little time to go over that. I do just want to kind of put out a little preface for you guys that Kith is a little bit more expensive. So with that being said, I definitely am I would like the opportunity to touch on a small group who has some clothing and some different options available for you that are actually a lot cheaper, and they're kind of dope. As I kind of browse the internet and find super cool stuff, I just want to present it to you guys and maybe give you two options. That once you know, hey, Kith, this is this huge name that everyone knows and recognizes that has more expensive stuff, but hey, here's this other company as well, who people don't know, but it's still dope. So I just want to give you guys that opportunity to be exposed to all that. So we are going to touch on this company from Atlanta. It is called All Black. There is All Black Congress. I believe it is a hip hop group of gentlemen. They have a company as well, obviously, called All Black. It's pretty dope, and we're gonna hop into it. So let's get into it. All right, so this here is the first tee. This is the All Black classic, just trademark tee. With the all black print on the front. Got a couple different colors for you. Pretty simple, nothing crazy. But again, I emphasize it's only $10. So if you just want, the opportunity to support somebody, they got some pretty cool stuff. This is the all black worldwide tee, also available in a couple different colors. Actually, want to be honest, I do not like the Dreams from the World font on the back. I don't think that the print or that graphic is honestly necessary, but that's just my opinion. The whole purpose that I even have this channel is to give you my opinion, so I please hope that you respect my opinion. This is the 404 series Gundam inspired limited edition t-shirt with this 404 print right here on the front. You have this like kind of Chinese style warrior graphic as the O of the 404, and then you have 404 series printed on the back. That's a cool shirt. Personally, not one that I would wear, but again, a lot of their price points are just a lot lower, a lot easier for you guys who like to save a little bit of money and just want to kind of look fly. Here's an opportunity. This is another one. This is a long sleeve shirt. It's got the all black with this Chinese font underneath, and the yin yang joint with this kind of Chinese print down the spine. That's actually pretty dope. My boy actually just wore the white edition of that in a vlog that they have coming soon. Shout out to the Alcoholics. They did a cooking vlog, and that is coming out soon here, so stay tuned for that. This is the all black hoodie. It's got the all black font on the front. Obviously this graphic with the Chinese print down the sleeve, and then this 404 series hoodie with the 404 print and the Chinese down the sleeve. Again, on the 404 series, it's only $30, and honestly, any hoodie for $30 is legit. And then last but certainly not least is this duffel bag, which is actually pretty dope. If you just need a duffel bag, and honestly, a $15 duffel bag is a steal. So that is All Black clothing. I did just want to, All Black Congress, I did just want to kind of take a moment and highlight them and give them a little moment to shine. There are pretty cool guys out there who kind of run that whole show, and just cool guys who just deserve an opportunity, and I hope that they get that chance. What is good, you guys? So I got my phone on screen record here. I have the Kith Lookbook loaded on my phone, so we're just gonna go through it. I'm gonna let you know what I think, and that's it. That's gonna be Kith. So here we go. We're gonna start off here. This is this. Actually, it's just like this overcoat. Obviously, they're trying to show you all the layers. I don't have the ability of kind of picking each layer, so we're kind of just gonna go through. I do like the colors on this jacket. I like the split paneling here. I really like this Kith hoodie underneath. I like the gradient on the logo in the middle, sort of Supreme box logo-esque, but just kind of Kith. I feel like Kith always has super dope colors. I don't know what it is about any Ronnie Feig collection of a sneaker or Kith clothes in general. The colors that they always present are always super dope. This is actually super interesting. I like that the one sleeve is different. Kind of never really seen anything like that. And then this all over Kith printed hood piece panel. Looks like it is actually a part of this jacket. I actually really like that. That's really cool. These pants are actually super different. I've never really seen anything like that before. With the colors, I really love these colors. And then you have just this Kith print. That is fire as fuck. This gradient style Kith box logo is super dope. shout out to them for coming up with that, because that is how I like that a lot. And then again, like I said, these pants, these like utility style cargo pants, obviously that is the wave, that is kind of the way that the whole everything is going. Super dope actually on those as well. Gotta stop saying dope. This is actually a super cool outfit. I really like this color on this jumpsuit. I like that a lot. I gotta see what kind of material it is. I'm not really crazy about vests, so for me, you kind of lose me at the vest, but it does all go together very well. The vest fits with this whole entire outfit well, so I actually am not even mad about the vest. I'll get over that. This is another little setup here. Obviously, they do rock a lot of New Balances. Ronnie Fieg, I feel like, has a huge connection to New Balance. I don't know if there's actually like a contractual thing with them, but they do. He does a lot of New Balances in there. All the ones I've seen have been pretty dope. He also has some pretty cool Pumas, to my knowledge. This is, very obviously living in Florida. Not very many of these materials I'll need. It does appear that this jacket has like a strap, so you can carry it like a bag, which is pretty fucking crazy. I'm not even gonna lie about that. Again, when it comes to, like I said, for me, in a lot of these winter and fall drops, a lot of them are for the colder areas, which I totally understand. So they're just not going to be quite for me. I do actually really like, again, on these pants, this utility kind of look he has with the flap of the pocket being a different color. I think that's a really dope detail on a utility pant, which has become something that's so oversaturated, where everyone wants to drop utility pants to kind of bring that different style to it, a different little swag to it. I definitely like that. I appreciate doing something different, because these utility pants just don't quite look the same as any of the ones I've seen in the past. This is a dope little setup again with this box logo, gradient style Kith. That is hard. It is Velcro, and it Velcros off. That is hard. Shout out to Kith for that. That's a dope little piece again. I actually really like these pants. This is kind of pretty cool wash. I feel like it fits again with just the colors, the schemes of everything is dope. This is actually a super hard little hoodie, crew neck rather, with the different like sewn sleeves of like 2 different knit sweaters. That's actually a crazy piece. I've never seen anything like that before. Wow, yeah, I would like to get my hands on that. Obviously I won't, I cannot afford that. I'm not gonna pretend like I can, but that is a super hard piece. This is also a super cool parka with, again, these white cargos are killing it. They have that zip off at the knee detail, which is a really cool piece. This kind of 2 pattern, I'm sure it's obviously split down the back parka. It's dope. All these different colors of blue work so well. Again, you see this sweater, man. I'm so intrigued by this sweater. I'm actually gonna take a look at it. Multiple different like knits and styles of sweater all sewn together. That is sick. I actually really like the way that they pieced all these outfits together. I think they did it super dope. These pants are hard. I'm telling you, this Kith gradient box logo is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. That's just a simple black outfit. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot more detail to it if you could kind of dig in there. I can't dig in there. I don't have the ability of doing that. I'm assuming that this blue undersweater is, yes it is the same knit sweater, which I'm so obsessed with. Again, with this patch on his arm here, this Kith gradient logo. Yo, shout out to Kith, man. This is the same thing from the beginning. I'm just gonna leave it right here so you can just get one final look at that gradient logo and see how fucking dope that is. Yeah, it is really cool. In regards to wearability, I feel like they did present a lot of wearable pieces, a lot of pieces that come the winter time, obviously not in my beautiful state of Florida, but in the northern states, when the more active skiers, snowboarders, people like that who are out in the snow and need that utility style, fashion forward, but actually usable piece, I feel like Kith definitely delivered on that. Like I said, I love Kith's colors. All the colorways that they present are just so fire. They put everything together in ways that you may have never seen before, like I noted with the utility pants, with the different colored flaps, and then the final detail has to be that hoodie, or excuse me, that crew neck with the sewn on patches, the different colored knit sweaters. That is just hard. I gotta give a shout out to them. I am actually doing a new thing where I'm gonna actually start rating all the lookbooks that I do, so we can keep a collection and you can kind of compare how I feel one versus the other. So I actually am going to give Ronnie, Feig, and Kith 2019 Fall Lookbook a rating of a 8 out of 10. I really, like I said, I kind of did touch on that. I really did like it. I feel like they did present. They did a really good job. Shout out to Ronnie, Feig. Shout out to Kith. It's a super dope collection. All right, but that's everything I got for you guys today. That is the Kith Fall 2019 Lookbook. My name is Mike Luke. Peace out.